Hey people, welcome to my YouTube channel. So just give me a second. Let me check if I'm live or not, and then we can start it. Okay. Okay. Nope, did not begin here. Yep, start it. So yeah. So let's complete the playlist today. We will be solving two problems today. There is 49th and 50th one. Okay, let me open the GPT also here, just in case we get stuck. Okay. So for the people who are watching this video for the first time, the plan is to solve SQL 50 problems both in SQL and in Pandas. Okay, so today's problem is 49th. If you are new, do watch the playlist. Okay, and do subscribe. So we have the problem immediate food delivery too. So let us read through the description, try to understand the problem statement, and then we can probably move towards the query. Okay, so so as to not waste time, let me just copy this and let me explain this. Okay, with example. Okay, so let it generate till then. Okay, I will keep this side. Okay, yeah. So if you see, we have the table delivery here with the columns names, delivery ID, customer ID, order date, and customer preferred delivery date. Okay, now delivery ID is the column of unique values of this table. Okay, and the table holds information about the food delivery to the customers that make orders at some date and specify a preferred delivery date on the same order date or after. Okay, so consider Zomato, Swiggy, whichever you prefer, or Zipto maybe. So if the customers prefer delivery date, okay, so read this carefully. If the customer's preferred delivery date is the same as the order date, okay, then the order is called immediate. Okay, otherwise it is called as scheduled. Now the first order of a customer is the order with the earliest order date that the customer made, and it is guaranteed that the customer has precisely one first order. Okay, now we need to write a solution to find the percentage of immediate orders in the first orders of all customers, round it to two decimal places. Okay, that means wherever the customer preferred delivery date is equal to order date, we need to consider it as immediate orders. Okay, so if you see, we have the delivery table, delivery IDs, customer IDs, order date, and customer preferred delivery date. Okay, now immediate percentage we need to calculate. Okay, percentage of immediate orders basically. So if you see, customer first, okay, customer first has the first order and preferred delivery date is second. Okay, so it is scheduled. Now again, if we go to customer one, but okay, customer ID 2, okay, here has the order date 2 and customer preferred delivery date is also 2. So this is immediate order. Okay, now customer 3 also has one immediate order. Okay, and customer 4 has also one immediate orders. Okay, so basically one sorry how many total orders are there? Immediate uh, so basically half are orders. Okay, so basically out of 4, half are immediate. That is what I'm saying. Okay, okay, so we need to consider the first order. Okay, that is the reason out of 4, the half are immediate. Okay, so that is the reason we have 50%. So basically it is like uh, number of orders and their percentage. Okay, so basically, so it's like 100 divided by 50. Sorry, 100 divided by 25 is 100, right? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, cancel. Okay, you just understand this explanation. So basically half, in the sense 50% are immediate orders. Okay, okay, so let me go here so as not to confuse you people. So if you see, okay, let me show you the query. Okay, what we're doing here is, okay, we are rounding it basically to two decimal places. Okay, and what we're doing, sum case when order customer preferred delivery date is equal to order date then 1. Okay, so basically whenever this happens, it counts 1. Okay, and it adds to that and counts star. So basically upon total, so total are 2 divided by 4, so basically 50. Okay, uh, yeah, that is what it is doing. as immediate percentage, okay, from delivery O, where O dot order date is equal to select min of O2 dot order date from delivery O2, where O2 dot customer ID is equal to O dot customer ID. So basically from here we are filtering that this statement is true whenever the order is the first order, okay. Yeah, that is what it is doing. So if you see, the subquery retrieves the earliest order date, okay, minimum order date for each customer ID, and outer query selects only those orders where order matches the earliest date, okay. So basically the first order is the minimum order, and it should match to the that means immediate and the scheduled one, okay. So calculating the percentage, if you see, round of 100. Okay, so here we are calculating the percentage. I missed it. Okay, round of 100 into sum of case 1. So counts the number of immediate deliveries, total first orders. Okay, okay, and it gives us the result. Okay, so hope this is also clear. So if you see customer ID 1, okay, from here they have given different example. Order date and preferred delivery date is 1. Okay, so check if the order was delivered immediately. So this is true. Okay, and customer preferred delivery date is also same. Okay, and this is also same. Okay, so immediate deliveries are 2. Okay, customer 1 and 2, and total first orders are 3. So basically these are the 3 orders. So it's like 2 divided by 3 into 100. That is what it is doing. Okay, so but in our scenario it is like 2 by 4, right? So basically 4 5 is 20 and 50%. Yeah, correct. So that is what it is doing. So hope this is also clear. Okay, let me run this. I'm not that good at math, so pardon me. So yeah, now let's move towards pandas. So if you see, okay, let me give this to GPT itself. I don't want to mess it. Okay, so first of all, what it is doing here is it delivery dot group by customer ID dot min, groups the data set by customer ID, okay, and then selects the earliest order date. So this min selects the earliest order date. This ensures we only consider each customer's first order. Okay, so directly they're filtering from here. Okay, and df, this is walrus operator, assigns the group result to df and also gets its length. Okay, now this then basically stores the total number of first orders. Okay, so this is what we are getting. So it's like total number of first orders were 4. Okay, now num is equal to keep only rows where the order date equal to customer preferred delivery date. Now in case of num, what we're doing, we're keeping the length of wherever the preferred date and order date is same. And finally what we're doing, period or data frame of immediate percentage is the column name, and num upon 10 into 100 and round it to 2. Okay, so basically this is what it is doing. So hope this is also clear, straightforward. Okay, so let me, yeah, accept it, submit this. So hope you are clear with this problem statement also. So do comment if you have any doubts. Okay, so let me close this now. So our next problem statement is find the users with valid emails. So when it says valid email, that means we need to check if it is matching the string. Okay, basically regex pattern. We have the user ID, name and mail. So user ID is the primary key, and this table contains information of the users signed up in a website. Some emails are invalid, we need to discard them. So write a solution to find the users who have valid emails. And a valid email has prefix name and domain name, where the prefix name is a string that may contain letters. Okay, so basically these are the conditions, and it should have the domain as at leetcode.com, basically like at gmail.com. Okay, and we can return it in any order. So if you see the users table, the output is 1 3 and 4, which are valid. Okay, and if you see the explanation, the output 2, basically this doesn't have the Leetcode domain, this has the Gmail, which is also wrong. And then which is wrong, 6 doesn't have, okay, 7 starts with a period, 7 starts with the period here. Okay, so this is not valid. And 5 has hash signs. Okay, so basically this has the hash sign. Okay, so that is the reason they are not valid. So what we need to do here is select star from users where mail and regex pattern is this. So basically it can start with any letters, okay, containing the numbers also, and it should have at Leetcode and it should end with .com. Okay, so that is basically the pattern which filters out your emails. But still, let me ask you. Okay, cool. So let it generate. Until then I will move to pandas. Okay, so let me okay, now it will submit the pandas. Okay, so if you see, this is basically the regular expression pattern matching function in SQL. Okay, it checks the mail column, follows the given regex pattern. So this is basically the start of the string. Okay, and first character must be letter, as I told you, and subsequent characters can be this, like 0 to 9, underscore, and dot. Okay, and underscore, dot, or hyphen. Okay, basically, and asterisk means 0 or more occurrence of this allowed characters. So this asterisk suggests occurrence, and at leetcode.com basically matches this pattern, and this suggests its end. Okay, so basically checking out with the filters. Similarly, what it is doing here in case of pandas, it is like users of users.mail. Mail is the basically the column dot string dot match. So basically again it is matching the string in this case. Okay, so same pattern, a bit of differences like backslash, right, if I'm not wrong. Okay, I think, where is the pattern? Okay, here if you see, no backslash, but here there are some slashes. Okay, so hope this also is clear. Okay, the pattern is similar, some things are different. Okay, so hope you learn something from this video. Our playlist is finally complete. I always leave this stuff uh, incomplete, and this is the first time I'm completing it. So yeah, I'll probably try my best to complete every other thing that I take on from today. Okay, so yeah, hope you learned something from this video. If you do like, share and subscribe, and also share it with your friends. And yeah, till then, take care. Bye bye.